Hi, so I've seen a lot of shoulder patients, pain in the back of the shoulders, the front of the shoulders, or to the side over the last few weeks. And what I've been giving, my favourite exercise to all of these patients is one that I call the figure of 8 stretch. So taking a weight, it can be a 1 kilo weight, it can be a couple of tins of beans in a carry bag wrapped around your wrist. What I get my patients to do is either imagine or draw a number 8 on a piece of paper, ideally newspaper size, pop it between their feet and then holding the weight in their hands so it gently stretches their arm. I get them to imagine they're drawing round that number 8. So start as if you've got a pencil in your hand, slightly bend over, engage your tummy muscles so you're not going to hurt your back, slightly bend your knees, and then move your hand as if you were drawing that number 8. The most important part about this exercise is that as you're moving, you actually twist the whole arm. Some of these exercises you see for the shoulder will get you to swing your arm in a circle, but that doesn't get you to do the full range of movement for that shoulder. So I use a figure of 8 to allow us to get the full range of movement. Let me know how you get on with this exercise, and if you need any help with the shoulder, then give me a shout and we can see if there's anything else that we can get going, any other exercises that will work for you. Hope that helps.